Hey guys. Okay, so your truck will crank but it won't start. I'm gonna go over a few reasons why that happens. Reason number uno, the battery. So what I did is that I got the battery, got it out, went on its own, got it tested for free, and actually, to my surprise, it was really low. So what I ended up doing is that I bought a new one. This one's a little bit bigger than the last one, but it does serve as an upgrade. So once you get that out of the list, you know that that is not your battery. Reason number those, your fuel system. So down here we got this little thingy that powers the fuel pump. What I did is that I put the key in the ignition, turned it to the on position, and I watched fuel pour out. So if you don't see fuel pouring out, I mean, once you disconnect the hose, obviously, that means that your fuel pump is bad. Reason number tres, ignition system. So what I did is that I took out a spark plug, kept it connected with its cable, grounded it, went over there, tried to start the engine. I noticed that sparks were coming out. So when you do that for all four of them, and once you've done that, you know that you don't even have to check your cables or the distributor, because all that it's doing is doing its job. But I did notice that my spark plugs were covered in fuel, and when that happens, you gotta change them, because otherwise, even though they're perfect or not, they will not start for some reason. And that information I got from a very good friend of mine. Also, I'm on Instagram, guys. Follow me. Reason number four, and it's the worst one all of us fear: the carburetor. I personally thought that my car was bad because for some reason the engine was flooded, which is my fault. I don't know. I don't even know how I did that. But when usually that happens, you come to think that your carb is bad because it's pumping too much fuel in, and your spark plugs aren't unable to ignite it. So once you discarded the battery, the fuel system, and the ignition system, you're going to be left with the carburetor. So hopefully it's not that, and you figured it out by now.